think about what role to play in that solution. In my own little space, what can I do to try and reduce that divide that we talk about? In my own little office, what kind of role can I play to impact the lives of others? And let's leave you with that thought to we close. We do this every second Wednesday of the month. Forum is an interactive forum, an idea, opportunity to build knowledge and to share ideas. We look forward to seeing this.
Before you go, let me just hand you over with some of our documents. Anyone who wants documents, just write to us. This is my essay, Menka. We take your card and everything. But in this booklet, we try to assemble most of the technologies that I've shown you there that have been bred for just like sharing information to see the opportunities and available. Certainly, this is our note of newsletter. We publish one every 3 months to tell you what we're doing. All these ideas are in here, and this is for your library.
Thank you very much.